Good morning, students. Today we are going to deal with the first chapter, components of food. The first chapter, components of the food. Okay, we already learned that the food item that we eat contain one or more ingredients. Is it the food item that contains one or more ingredients? Okay, that are essential for our body also. Okay, that are important to our body also. Then we drink, on the morning we drink milk. We know that there is something present in that milk. And also we eat egg. We also know that something is present in our egg also. What is something present in that? The ingredients containing some components. Okay, the ingredients containing some components. That components is called nutrients. The ingredients contain some components. That components is called nutrients. What? Nutrients. There are different types of nutrients. The first one is carbohydrates. What is carbohydrate? And the second one is proteins. And the third one is fats. And the fourth one is vitamins. And the fifth one is minerals. These are the important components of the food. These are the nutrients. What are they? Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. In addition to this, there is dietary fibers and water also. What are they? Dietary fibers and water. Where they get this food material? Where it is obtained? It is obtained either from plants or animals. All these food contain these nutrients. How to taste these nutrients? We already said that the nutrients which are present in our foods are carbohydrates, proteins, fat, vitamins, minerals. In addition to this, there is a dietary fibers and water also. Then how we test these nutrients? If these nutrients are present all in our food, or whether the cooked food or raw material food found this type of nutrients, how we test? There is a similar method to test this type of nutrients. Okay, for this we need some chemical. We will need some chemical for testing these nutrients. They are copper sulfate solution, caustic soda and iodine. So the chemicals you will need to find this vitamins, so this nutrients. The first one is copper sulfate, then second one is iodine solution and third one is caustic soda. Okay, let me write here. The first one is copper sulfate. The second one is iodine solution. And solution NaOH solution. And third one is caustic soda. These are the chemicals you will need to find out whether the nutrients present in our food item. What are they? Copper sulfate, iodine solution and caustic soda. We already said that the nutrient, the first one is carbohydrate. How the carbohydrate present in our food item? The carbohydrate food in our food present in our food item in the form of starch and sugar. What? Starch and sugar. The carbohydrate present in our food item in the form of starch and sugar. Okay, what are they? Starch and sugar. Carbohydrate present in the food, the form of starch and sugar. Okay, let me starch and sugar. And how we find the starch present in the food item or not? There is one test for finding the starch in the food. Okay, we can go for the test. Next we are going for test for starch. We will also say that the chemicals we need for testing these nutrients are caustic soda, copper sulfate solution and iodine solution. For test for starch we use iodine solution. For this test, take the food item or the raw materials for this test are 2 or 3 ml of dilute iodine solution in it. After a minute, we can say a color change, a blue-black color is present. And dark color indicates the presence of starch in our food. These are the tests for starch. We use the chemical iodine solution. When we pour 2 or 3 drops of solution into the food material, there is a color change occur. The color changes to blue-black color that indicates the presence of starch. Okay, we already got the carbohydrates. Next we are going for the test for proteins. The another nutrient test for proteins. Test for proteins. Going to deal with test for proteins. For this, we need 2 chemicals. They are copper sulfate solution and the second one is caustic soda. For this, first take the food material. If the food material is solid, we have to grind or smash the food item into a smaller or paste-like structure. Okay. After that, add some water into it. Then you have to put the solution copper sulfate solution into it. 2 or 3 drops of copper sulfate solution added into the test tube. After that, you have to pour 10 ml of caustic soda solution in it. Then kept it to one side. After a while, we can observe a violet color appear on that test tube. A violet color is appear, and that indicates that the presence of protein. The violet in color indicates that the food containing protein. These are the taste for protein. Let me explain one again. Taste for protein is we need 2 types of chemical, that is copper sulfate solution and caustic soda. And first we need a paste-like food item or mashed food item. Take it in a test tube. After that, pour 2 or 3 drops of water. Then we need to add copper sulfate solution 2 or 3 drops. Then we need to add 10 ml of caustic soda into it. After a while, a violet color is appear. It indicates the presence of protein. Okay, today we learned the components of food or the nutrients present in our food. What are the nutrients present in our food? Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Okay, in addition to this, there is also a dietary fibers and water. Okay, already we learned 2 tests. What are they? Test for starch and test for protein. The test for starch, we use the chemical iodine solution. What is the result present at that time? A blue-black color. Is it blue-black color? That indicates what? The presence of starch. Then we go for the test for protein. In this test, we need what? 2 chemicals. What are they? Copper sulfate solution and caustic soda. At that time, we got 2 ml of copper sulfate solution we needed, and we 10 ml of caustic soda indicate and there is a violet color appear in that solution. That indicates what? Okay. I hope you understood the topic. Okay, thank you.